Well, one way to really reopen the country is more widespread testing, but there is still no organized effort that is in place to do that. As a result, KPIX5's John Ramos shows us entrepreneurs are starting to step up to fill that void.
One of the most troubling things about this virus is that most people walking around have no idea whether they're infected or not. So it seems like it might be a good idea to know that. Testing has been erratic at best, with people often having to wait in long lines. And that's the biggest problem, according to the founder of Carbon Health, a private health clinic operator in California and Nevada.
There's absolutely no downside to testing, but there is downside to hundreds of people getting into a line in front of a clinic to get tested.
So the company has outfitted a former mobile dental trailer to focus on COVID-19 testing. Today it was set up in a parking lot in Redwood City. Testing is by appointment only to eliminate crowding, and the nasal swab test takes only about a minute to complete.
If I just walk around thinking that I am healthy, and if I am not, I'm just contaminated and putting everything back as it was before.
The first thing is responsibility. I don't want to infect you or nobody else if I know I'm sick.
Positive or negative, at least you know.
Kevin McGovern has a job delivering cannabis and says fear of infection has kept him from seeing his young daughter for 4 weeks. So it means a lot to him that they use a rapid test system with results available by the end of the day.
The whole time you're going through whether you have it or not. So being able to get the result in the time they can do it, I think gives you a little bit, actually a little comfort.
The company says the test is covered by most insurance plans, and if not, the fee is $65. But that's uncertain because even though the government has promised that testing will be free, they have not created a system to reimburse those doing it.
We are taking a lot of financial risk, to be honest, by doing this, because we are not collecting copays, we are not collecting credit cards. We are just hoping we will eventually get paid for this.
In Redwood City, John Ramos, KPIX5.
CEO says if the company ever does start getting paid, it hopes to create 10 mobile testing units that can do antibody testing as well.